Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a treat for you guys, another apartment tour. We're in the Ballantine area of Charlotte. Well, in Ballantine, but I kind of like this place. I have mixed emotions about it, but I'm gonna let y'all see it so y'all understand what I'm talking about. It's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's a townhome. And right now I'm actually standing in the garage area. Yeah, so the garage is right here behind me, but I will get to show you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get this tour going. Okay, so when you walk in, you're downstairs. That's if you, I'm locking the door behind me, but that's if you come in through the garage area, which is where we just entered through. The actual garage is right here. It's here because it's dark, but it's a 1-car garage. Nice size, whatever. Dark in here, just like I feel about the rest of the house. It's dark in this house. But this is the garage. Let's turn that back out. So that's the door that we entered through right here. This is your laundry room. It comes with the washer and dryer. Outdated. The HVAC is up here. It's just not a lot of good lighting in here, and it's definitely outdated, but it's nice for what it is. Oh, and the light switch is behind the door. So, okay. The nice thing about this is you do have a coat closet downstairs, which is a nice size coat closet if you use it for exactly what it is. So we're gonna go up the steps. And this is the first landing. So right here you have your little entryway. Not very big. The lights are yellow. I'm sorry, but it's just bothering me. So this is the front door. It has 2 locks on it, there and there. And that's just what it looks like outside your front door. Steps. There's a doorbell. That's pretty loud. That's a nice little. So we're gonna go up to the next landing, which is now on the first floor. So this is very cute. The entry here, that's not really like a patio, it's just the door just to open and like let in some fresh air. But there's no screen. So I don't see that happening if it was me living here. Some windows. There's no light in here, so you have to do your own lighting. Whatever, I guess. I don't know. This is your dining room area. It has a lot of natural light, but like on a day like today, it's dark in here. And all the lights that can be on are on. So just keep that in mind when you're looking. This is your dining room area. Let's take a step back so you guys can see. There's your dining room. I like this little cutout here to the kitchen. So there's a cutout. This is your air, central heat and air, but it's outdated. I would put a Nest there. Bathroom, half bathroom. It has cabinet space, toilet, sink, mirror. Lighting is terrible. It's dark in here. It's just really, really dark. I don't know. That part bothers me. I like light. I don't like to be in the dark about anything. So, but when you're in here, it's a lot of light. So like, let me see if you can see me. The light is good in here. It's just dark in this house. So you come around that corner. This is your kitchen. It's a cute little kitchen, I'm not gonna lie. I just prefer cabinets to be white, but that's just my personal preference, I don't know. The appliances are really nice though. Dishwasher, some Maytag, so that's really good. And all the appliances in here are Maytag, so that's really, really, really nice. Garbage disposal, sink, it comes off, so you still have the spray, drawers, cabinets, drawers. You still get the pantry, which is cute. So you still get the pantry space. And this is a nice size refrigerator. I will give it that. Like, look at the size of this refrigerator. That's really nice. And the freezer, ice maker, water, all on the door. The counter space, I don't know. It's just dark. It's just so dark. It's nice though. The double oven is nice. Well, yeah, it's cute. It gets the job done, I guess. Gonna go upstairs now to the next. Oh, it was dark over here. Is this all light? Cause it can't be. Oh, ooh, child, I was scared. So on this landing, you have a window. Can't really do anything with that, but another landing. Central heating air for upstairs. That's the window. Those are the stairs. Let's go into this bedroom first. Ceiling fan. This closet irked my nerves. I don't know, it's just so tiny. Then we walk in here to the bathroom. Drawer space, mirror, lights. That is the only light in here. Cabinet space, window. Don't get me wrong, it's a cute space. It's just little and outdated. Nice little hook and a big linen closet. That was a nice surprise. It's a big linen closet in this bathroom. But I guess if you think about it, you have a garage, so you can use it for storage if you need to. So that's really nice, I guess. And we're gonna go across here, so it's outlets out here, which is nice. Plug-ins and stuff. This is the master bedroom. It's just so dark. I can't get over how dark it is. It's nice. They put a little accent wall over here and everything. Like, that was really cute. This mirror is, this window is very oddly placed though. Don't know how I feel about that. This closet, it's tiny. It's a little closet. And this is your master closet. And it does have storage behind the door as well. So it's little. But in the master bathroom, they do have cabinet space, like a little linen space. Towel rack behind the door. Bathtub, it's a tiny bathtub. Toilet, mirror. I'm sorry, I keep saying mirror, window. And under the sink space, open these cabinets so you can see. Mirror is framed, but this lighting is horrific. Right now that is out, but I have no idea why. It's just blown out, I guess. But the mirror is a nice size mirror. It's just dark. I'm sorry. If y'all like this, I'm glad for y'all, but it's just dark and I can't get over that. But that's it for this unit. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the next place. So this is the Links REA Farms, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. This is gonna be a different day than the first tour because I wasn't going to show this one, but things changed and I decided to do so. So it does come with the washer and dryer. It is a front load washer and dryer. In that little closet there, there's actually no shelf for that one, so you're just kind of gonna have to work with that. HVAC is located right there. This is actually the model home. The door does have one of those little like smart locks where you put the little key in. You don't turn it. It kind of just like, it's like a magnet kind of thing. It's really cute. Nice little coat closet. And I just muted this video just to let you guys know. I muted it because I was speaking with the two ladies and they were actually telling me about another YouTuber that used to live there. I'm not going to mention the YouTuber's name just for their privacy. And partially was one of the reasons why I didn't want to live there. They seem, I don't know, for staff, it just seemed a little bit too chatty for me. So if you guys decide to go there, definitely be aware of that. I don't know. I just prefer my privacy and other people's privacy as well. But that was the dining area. Pretty small, but a cute one. And the kitchen is really cute. Subway tile backsplash, nice light colored cabinets, and the marble countertop was really nice. And they had a cute little stacked up fridge for the model home, which was really nice. But yeah, it was like hardwood flooring, not hardwood, but flooring, like a vinyl flooring, all throughout. It was really cute. Dishwasher, microwave, stove, everything was included. In this unit, it had 12-foot ceilings. Most of the units have 10-foot ceilings. And one thing that I really do like about these units, they have the door is really nice because it's like either 9 or 10 feet tall, the door. And for some reason, it just gives like a hotel feel to it. And I just really like that. So beyond the entryway and kitchen is the dining, and of course this living room. That wall can be used as an accent wall. Just like one of my previous videos where I was touring Haven. You are allowed to, if you wish to get an accent wall, they'll come in and paint it for you for like $150 or so. But it depends on whatever color you're gonna get. You can get whatever one. They'll do it before the move in, so that's really nice. This is the master bedroom. It's actually a smaller size room, but again, this model has 12-foot ceilings, and it just varies by the part of the building you're in, because the building kind of is on like an incline. So this one is tall. As you can see, I'm wearing different clothes, different hairstyle. This bathroom was probably my favorite bathroom I have ever toured. The walk-in shower, as well as the tub to sit down, and you can take a shower in the tub. The marble flooring, it was just beautiful. It had cabinet space on both sides of the his and hers sink, the Jack and Jill sinks, and the drawers were in the center between the two sinks. Big, beautiful framed mirror, beautiful lighting in there. The walk-in closet was a nice size. It was a decent size. But as far as the room goes, like that built-in cabinet space, that was really nice. Those shelves were really nice. I do like that it wasn't like the racks in the closet, and instead it was the shelving, which was really pretty. I had already started picking out what I would have done to this room, just as far as decor goes, but it was really, really nice. This unit is on, well, we did go on the elevator and go to the second floor, but it looks as if you're on the first floor, so it was really nice. The balcony was really small, so I didn't even bother to show that. I apologize, but it was really nothing to show because there was nothing to see. This is the second bedroom. Decent size room. It still fit a queen size bed. The master bedroom had a king size bed in it. This closet was pretty small, but it was still like, you know, a nice size little closet. Still had those nice shelves in it, built in. And it's just another angle of the bedroom, just trying to show you guys. And it does have ceiling fans in the bedrooms. Really pretty. And the bathroom had another nice cabinet space in there, like a linen closet. This one did not have a walk-in shower, but it still had the tub that has the shower attached. But it still was really, really pretty. One sink in this second bathroom, which was really all a guest would need. So it was really a nice space. And I love how they have all the curtains going up to the ceiling. It just makes it have a really luxury vibe. And they both had garden bathtubs. And as you come out of that door, you're back into the dining area. So that is the full tour. I'll have links to this unit down below as well. But without further ado, I'm going to get into this last clip. Now, for this bonus tour, I'm not going to talk about this one yet, But because I love you guys, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of this. I know you guys are going to want details, and I promise I am going to give you details in my next apartment tour video. This one, yeah, subscribe so that you get the notification that this video is up, because this next one, you need details. I promise you need details. But just enjoy it, and I will catch you guys at the end of this video. Thank you guys for joining me on this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss what's coming up next. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe and continue to wear your mask. Bye.